Before World of Warcraft, there was Warcraft III, a legendary real-time strategy game released by Blizzard in 2002. But it wasn't just about building bases. Warcraft III told one of the most unforgettable stories in gaming. At its heart was Prince Arthas, a noble paladin who took the cursed sword Frostmourne to save his people, and lost his soul. He became the Lich King, an iconic villain in gaming history. The game had 4 unique factions: humans, orcs, night elves, and the undead, each with deep lore and powerful heroes. It also introduced the World Editor, which let players create custom maps. One of them created a whole new genre, DotA, the first MOBA. Warcraft III didn't just change strategy games, it created a legacy that lives on today.